Hi friends. I thought I'd show you something that I noticed. So I had these four frames that I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that they are the IOD air dry clay. And let's see, they're all from the vintage brooches. This one had broken off as I was pulling it out, I do remember, and I kind of liked it just as it is. Jeez, I got an avalanche going. Just liked it as it was, so I left it. I figured it would be fine as a frame. Now, these four have probably been done and painted for maybe 6 months, maybe even a year. I don't know. But then I did these others out of the resin the other day, and I just was looking at them and seeing, I noticed how much they had shrunk. So when you, I mean, that's a huge difference. Same exact thing, used to be the same size. And had this been put down onto a substrate, say a piece of furniture, or you know, even a board to make something for your gallery wall or something, it would immediately after you made it, then it wouldn't have shrunk this much. But you know, that is a big noticeable difference. And I just, you know, noticed just really how much, I mean, that's a big deal. So you might want to keep that in mind when I love the air dry clay. I like this look better than that clean look. I really do. I like the that it's more natural and more aged looking once you get it painted. But look at this one. How much a huge difference. Granted, half of this outer part is gone, but, and another thing is, if you don't stick it on something, this one is super warped. So whatever I do put it on, I'll have to figure out, maybe I'll stick some moss under there or something to kind of help that look. That's probably exactly what I'll end up doing, is filling that gap with some moss and putting this in some kind of a natural little thing. But I just thought that was interesting, and I thought I'd share that with you. And that's all. Which kind do you like better? I mean, I know they both have their advantages and their disadvantages. Drop me a comment and let us know what you think. Thanks. Have a blessed day.